Hello to everyone. For those of you wanting your own business but don't know where to start, then this is something that you may wish to take a closer look at. Now, why is that? Well, OnPassive has created a fully automated system for you to just plug into. In its simplest form, they will register a domain name for you and create a website. They will then drive specific targeted traffic to the website and close the sale for you and pay you for every customer that pays for a product, and then deal with all the customer support for you, totally hands-free. Now, for those among you who wish to achieve their income goal sooner, rather than later, then you can help yourself by simply spreading the word. Now, I don't mean you have to recruit, because this is a customer-based business, but simply by sharing the opportunity with others will help you achieve your goal sooner rather than later. It's called the power of leverage. Okay, so what is so special about OnPassive? Well, they have created a suite of digital products far superior to what is available on the market today. But don't worry, you don't have to understand how these things work or even what they do, because it's all automated, and there will be plenty of tutorials to show you if you wish to learn more. Let's take an example. Our email service is called Omail, and there will be speech to text and text to speech. It's fully integrated with artificial intelligence, and there are many other features that make it far more attractive to any other email service, but the two best things I like most are its security, as it is fully encrypted, and I can send whatever size file I like to my friends and contacts or even work colleagues. Now, this is a free product, so everyone can use it, and yes, you would make no income if customers just used this. But here is the genius of the system: once they become customers, there will undoubtedly be other products your contacts might use. So how many contacts do you have that would use a better email service even if you only had 100? What if those 100 also told their contacts and they encouraged 100 to use the free product? You'd have 10,000 customers, and at some point they would undoubtedly become paying customers as OnPassive adds more and more products to its suite. The best bit is that everyone would be able to see a wallet in their dashboard, and as coins start to fall in their wallet, people naturally become curious and want to know how they can convert these coins into cash for themselves. The system will show you everything and even allow you to use part of the coins you've built up to activate your account. Now you have a paying customer and therefore earn a commission. What could be simpler? Want to know more? Then get back in touch with the person that shared this with you and just ask. It doesn't take much. Please like, subscribe and share.